Add toothpaste to boiling water. It's better than anything else. This is what rich people do and they don't tell you. Put a liter of water in a pot, normal water at room temperature. Then turn on the heat to medium and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Once this is done, also add a tablespoon of sugar and mix very well. Now let it sit until it starts to boil. I bet you've never thought about using toothpaste that way, but when you discover what it's for, you'll definitely run to make it at home, because it's a simple tip that I guarantee will be very useful. As soon as it boils, it's time to put the toothpaste. Add just a tablespoon and mix well until the paste is completely dissolved. You might wonder what this is for. If your cutlery is already old, dull, stained, or even rusty, then this tip is for you. Take your cutlery or any piece of silver you want to renew, put it in the pot and let it boil for 10 minutes. This process will renew your pieces, since all the ingredients, especially the toothpaste, have great whitening power, and its abrasive action performs polishing work. It has the power to remove all types of stains and rust from pieces, giving them an incredible shine and leaving them like new. After the indicated time, you can turn off the heat, discard the water, and then wash the cutlery normally with soap and water. I am sure this process will help many people. Many do not know that it is possible to renew cutlery, and as soon as it starts to stain and lose shine, they throw it away to buy new ones. With just a simple tip like this, you will stop wasting money, and you will be able to keep your cutlery looking beautiful for a long time. After washing with water and detergent, you just have to dry them and you will see a big difference in your cutlery. Like I said, they will look new. Look at what an incredible shine, how they shine. It looks like a mirror, it's just wonderful. I bet all your visitors are impressed with the shine of your cutlery and will surely ask you what you do to maintain that shine. You can repeat this process whenever you want, but remember to leave a space of at least 20 days between each cleaning. That's all. I hope you liked it a lot. A hug and see you in the next video.